Hello everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm from ProCandleSupply.com. Today I'm going to show you one of the best scales you can use for candle and soap making. First off though, let me stress that it's very important to use a scale when making candles and soap. Always measure out your ingredients by weight, never by volume. This means you never use a liquid measuring device when candle or soap making. This is because fragrance oils all have different densities. When I first started making candles and soap, I would buy scales, then spill oils and wax all over the display and control panel. They would eventually get all gunked up, they wouldn't work, and I wouldn't be able to read them. The scales would break and I'd end up spending another $15 every other week or two on a new scale. If you're in the same boat, I have a solution for you. I found an affordable scale that is perfectly designed for candle and soap making. This scale right here is great. The best feature is the front control panel cover. There's a clear plastic cover that sits on a hinge over the control panel, so you can lift it when you need to press a button and then lower it to protect the screen and the buttons from oil, wax, and soap. So if you accidentally spill some oil on your front panel, this cover will protect the display and the buttons. No big deal. It also comes with a couple clear plastic cover shields. They're flexible and they can be placed over the screen but still press all the buttons. For example, the clear plastic cover is pretty rigid. You can't hit the buttons while the cover is down. So if you don't like that, you can pull the cover up or remove it and then place one of these flexible shields over the display. You can still push through this little screen and hit all the buttons that you need to. You can operate it with 3 AA batteries, but you're not required to do so. This means that you can save a ton of money by not buying batteries. It comes with a power adapter of its own, which means that you can power the scale without any batteries at all. It also has a blue backlight, so you can read the display. Look at that blue light. It weighs out up to 15 pounds and measures in the following modes: grams, kilograms, pounds, and ounces. Another great thing is that many inexpensive scales will automatically use power saving modes and turn off while you're using them, which can be so annoying when you're in the middle of weighing out wax or fragrance and it shuts off and you no longer know how much you have weighed out. How many people has that happened to? Because I know it's happened to me like a bajillion times and it's so annoying. But this scale has an option to avoid this and it will not shut off until you hit the power button. Just make sure you check out the manual so you can set your scale to do this if you'd like. The steel pan on top is a nice large size that fits wax pitchers and large bowls. It's also very easy to remove and wash. There's a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. The information on this is included in the box. This scale is definitely user-friendly. Let me show you a quick introduction on how to use the scale. First off, if you're not using batteries, just connect the power adapter to the back of the scale and plug it in. Then you're just going to hit the red button on the front. Ooh, the blue backlight. Once you turn it on, it's going to count down to 0 from 9 and then show 0. Hit the mode button on the front until you reach the unit you're looking for. The easiest, I think, is the ounces unit. Once you're in the mode you want, it should read 0. If it doesn't, then hit the tare button. At 0, you're ready to go. For example, if you're weighing out 1 ounce of fragrance oil, just place whatever container you're using on the scale. It will read a weight. Right now it reads 0.3 ounces because this is really light. So I want it to be back at 0, so I'm going to hit the tare button. We're at 0 again. Now we can accurately weigh the weight of our fragrance oil. Now you're ready to add your fragrance oil. Pour in until the scale reads 1 ounce and then you're done. Guys, I'm reading upside down, okay? Cut me some slack. 1 ounce. Then you recap your fragrance, remove your fragrance oil, and then you just hit the red power button once to turn it off. As you can see, this scale is definitely easy to use. I really hope you feel the same because I searched high and low for the perfect scale. That's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Definitely give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. Thanks so much. Bye!